In this video, we have brought for you the complete syllabus. Before starting exam preparation, it is very important to understand the syllabus because only then you can get a clear idea of which chapters are important, which topics need more focus, and how to manage your time effectively. In this video, we will explain the syllabus in unit-wise and chapter-wise detail so that you can plan your studies smartly. And friends, once you understand the syllabus, preparing for exams becomes much easier. All you need to do is watch the video carefully and keep your notebook ready. And yes, if you want important questions, previous year papers, or unit-wise answers, do let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because here you'll get the most useful content for your exams.